And so I want to start with a relaxing of the jaw. So this is going to look really pretty. Our hair is going to get messy. Thank you. Abby's got her hands ready to go.
I'm ready.
We're going to start to massage the temporalis muscle. And in the studio, I would take probably like a minute or two doing these massages. As we do this, I encourage people to start thinking about releasing their jaw. Most people don't know what a released jaw feels like when you start this process. So you're massaging, they might feel some tenderness around the outside of that temporalis muscle. That's really normal. And then after about a minute of that, I have them move down gently through their temples and start massaging the masseter muscles. And it's always fun when you get to watch yourself do this. I do all the time when I'm teaching online now. As we're doing this, then I tell people to take their tongue and gently as they can, touch the tip of the tongue to the alveolar ridge. And that's that ridge right behind your top teeth. So lightly press or lightly touch, don't press, the tongue to the ridge while continuing to massage. And I tell people to think of keeping your tongue fat, because a fat tongue is generally a free tongue.
I like that cue, Liz.
So I got the fat tongue term from my fabulous voice teacher, Dr. Carla Lefevre. Now, as we're doing this, I'll have people start to make some sounds, keeping your tongue lightly touching the ridge. If they start to feel it pressing, then we know the tongue is engaging. If their jaw starts to engage again as they start to make sound, then we know that we have to slow down a little bit. So this is a fun part too. This part is really telling, because if they start making sound but they don't feel their abdomen engaging, we know that there's something happening here. So this is an opportunity to not only start freeing these, but to start engaging our abdominal muscles.
Liz, you caught me.
So this is intentional, and we have to help our students stay intentional. And I'm gonna make a sound for you as an example, so you hear what it sounds like when students do start tensing their tongue. Oh, oh, or notice that when I tense my tongue, my jaw comes along for the ride. Okay, so this is the first step in the exercise. This is like a 4-step exercise. We won't go through the whole thing. So I will take 2 or 3, even 4 minutes doing just this much, maybe even 5. Don't rush it. We don't get muscle tension overnight.